Day 18 of the 2018 Tropical Cyclone season down here in the Southern Hemisphere. Welcome to another update via the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, where we have developing tropical news, and we have a look in this update at what the latest is from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre. They have issued a tropical cyclone formation alert advisory, and guess what? It's Ex Tropical Cyclone Bouchra. I know I haven't pronounced that one right. 04. And at this point in time, available data does not justify issuance of numbered tropical cyclone warnings, and winds in the area is estimated to be 28 to 33 knots. And 04 is 730 nautical miles west of the Cocos Island, 11.4 degrees south, 86 degrees east. This is the life of the system up to a few hours ago. Animated enhanced infrared imagery shows a broad low-level circulation with deep convection sheared to the west. A 89 GHz microwave image shows low-level banding with a small pocket of deep convection to the northwest of the low-level circulation. The remnants of the Ex Tropical Cyclone still retains the prefix 04S in a moderately favourable environment, good favourable 26 to 28 degrees Celsius sea surface temperatures, along with good poleward and equatorward outflow. And moderate 10 to 20 knot vertical wind shear. Global models are in good agreement that CO4S will track southwest and develop in the next day. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated at around 28 to 33 knots. Maximum sustained surface winds as mentioned 28 to 33 knots, and minimum sea level pressure is estimated to be around 998 millibars. The potential for the development of a significant tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours is high, and you can clearly see from the NOAA floaters that CO4 is getting its act together, and it's still outside the Bureau of Meteorology's area of responsibility, which is 90 degrees east. And recapping, 89 GHz microwave image shows low-level banding with a small pocket of deep convection to the northwest of the low-level circulation, and the environment is really good. And there's the sea surface temperature 27 up to 29. Now here's a look at the late cycle track guidance. late cycle intensity guidance, and no doubt in coming hours this will reverse EPS track guidance. And on the right hand side are the models and the various colours. GEFS track and pressure. Now we have a look at some cyclone phase imagery, UK MET, NCEP, GFS. Tropical cyclone formation probability guide, and my eyes are on the purple just to the north but close of Bougainville Island, Himarai 8 satellite view. Upper level divergence is 20 to 30 knots. Wind shear favourable is green, unfavourable is red, neutral yellow. And the 850 millibar vorticity intensity scale, right hand side of the screen, and what I look for is the right inside the area in red. And on the local scene, strong wind warning for East Gippsland case down there in Victoria, and a similar one for Monday. Considering the timestamp, this would have been possibly updated. And for Monday, strong wind warning for the Frederick Henry Bay, Norfolk Bay, Storm Bay Channel, far northwest, lower east coast, southeast coast, central west coast, down there in Tasmania. And considering that northern New South Wales and southeast Queensland up to Maryborough had storm activity yesterday afternoon, here's another look at instability. Wind speed probabilities. Each of these images are 3 hour periods, and from 7 AM today through to 7 AM Monday. Force 13's Australia Oceania Channel will continue to bring the latest information on the developing tropical system 04S. And no doubt there'll most likely be some updates posted on the main channel. Now we have a look at supercell probabilities. The information is always extracted from the BSCH website, and it's the reliable GFS model. And the music that you're listening to is the work of Nathan Foy, Force 13's owner-operator, who lives over there in Manchester, United Kingdom, and the Bureau of Meteorology's 12-hourly rainfall. Rainfall scale, right-hand side of the screen, not much going on when you look at the area in brown. And then it starts to develop, the yellow through to green. Total forecast of rain across the next 8 days. This is updated every 24-hour period. And for the Australian viewers, I'm also on the National Executive of a radio emergency monitoring group called the Australian Citizens Radio Monitors. Please check out their website. And again, it's the area up there on the Northern Territory, Western Australia border. The GFS model. This is extracted from the Pivotal Weather website. Total accumulated precipitation. The rainfall scale is bottom of the screen. And repeating, considering CO4 is now developing, more updates to come.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.